Alright, can you please guess what is this?
It's a lucky draw box.
Hey, with all the numbers inside.
So now that means the 9 lucky winners are gonna come on stage.
Alright, and you will not be off the stage empty-handed because we have a gift for you.
Okay, this is a very limited edition of their towel. You know how we normally use towel as we you know like.
How about the chest?
Chest.
Armpit.
Okay, so we're gonna give out all this very exclusive, including this one. Alright, to the fan.
Okay, but, okay, it is also a test of popularity. Okay?
제가 이 멤버들의 인기 테스트를 좀 하는 그런 시간을 가져볼까요?
Okay, how does this go, okay? When we pick you up on stage, you gotta choose which oppa to sign on the towel.
For example, if you pick me, then I will say like, I want Linda.
Yeah.
Then Linda will get the sign on the towel.
Yeah, and then you give it a towel. Okay?
So we want to see which member has the highest popularity in Singapore.
Yeah. Okay, so no worries about hurting anyone. Okay, it is just a little test. All right. So the first winner to be on stage is.
Zero,
0106.
0106. Where are you? 0106. Hands up. Where? No?
No, there. Come on.
Yeah, come.
Come on, find your way on stage. Okay, the second one. Okay, come on, pick the lucky number. Here you go.
0729.
0729. Okay, quickly find your way on stage. The third one.
0571.
0571.
Where?
Come on, find your way on stage. Okay. The fourth one. Okay.
0854.
0854. Okay, one each, 9 winners in total. This is number 5.
0214.
0214. Quickly, come on stage. Next, come on. All right.
0714.
0714.
Where are you? Where?
Okay.
0647.
0647.
Yeah, where are you? Where's the winner?
Okay, last 2.
Dum.
Do you get a chance to be on stage?
0710.
0710.
Where?
Okay, 9 winners.
Never shake. No, that means you guys never shake.
Shake.
Okay, shake.
Oh,
Shake. The last one.
Sexy version.
Shake. Okay, the last one.
Last one? Okay, shake. Okay. Wow. Wow. So much.
What number is that?
0085.
0085.
Okay.
We have all 9 right here.
We have
Then
all 9 here. Repeat the number. Can you repeat the number?
0085.